आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked to fill in the place with the appropriate word or the word. So the first part that's given to us here, a phase of growth which is maximum and fastest, right? So that phase of growth, that's basically maximum, and the fastest is basically the exponential phase, right? That's basically known as the exponential phase. So during this phase, the growth is shown is the maximum and is fastest. Now the next one is apical dominance is expressed in dicotyledonous plants is due to the presence of dash of more dash in the apical bud than in the lateral bud, right? So the apical dominance is basically expressed in dicot plants. That's basically due to the presence of more auxin, right? As we know that auxin is basically a growth hormone, right? It's a growth hormone. So when the auxin is present more in the apical bud than in the lateral bud, then the apical dominance is seen, right, is seen in case of the dicot plants. Right, now the third part is that in addition to auxin, a dash must be supplied to culture medium to obtain a good callus in plant tissue culture. Right, so in as we know that auxin is basically a growth hormone. So along with the growth hormone, if we add one more hormone that basically supply all the sufficient and good nutrients that basically allows the good growth of the plant, because tissue culture is a technique wherein a single tissue is basically used to grow a whole new plant. So for the growing, some growth hormones are required. So one of the growth hormone is auxin, right? And synergistic to it, right, is basically the cytokinin that will carry out the better growth and development of the plants, right, in the tissue culture. Now the next part is dash of a vegetative plants are the site of photoperiodic perception, right? So basically the leaves, right, leaves of the vegetative plants, they are the site of photoperiodic perception, right? So if we talk about the photoperiod or the photoperiodism, right, it's basically the effect of light and its duration on the growth and the development, right? So basically the leaves that receives the stimulus of light, right? So the answer here is the leaf. So this is the answer for all these parts.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।